trimming down, getting down to your core businesses and focusing on those, and that you will have, the shareholders will see better value.
All right, let's talk about just number of things, and that has to do with the unemployment rate. What is it?
Chicago area unemployment rate fell to 8.6% in December. That's been down every month for a number of months now, and down 2 full points from a year ago. So on paper, that looks very good and very encouraging. Every county in Illinois saw a decrease in the unemployment rate in December.
And yet, there's still a huge demand for jobs. There was a situation in Joliet. Tell us that story.
Yes, you hear these numbers, you see that story, and then you look on the next page of the newspaper, and there's a picture of hundreds of people lined up outside a distribution warehouse. 50 jobs available.
Hear the wind?
Central Grocers in Joliet. These are union jobs that have health benefits. 1,100 people showed up to apply for union jobs. So unemployment is still a problem.
It's kind of heartbreaking when you
Yes.
hear that.
Yes, Abbott Labs, which is based in North Chicago, announced it's going to lay off 19.
That's snow swirling.
1,000 of them in the Chicago area, 500 of those immediately. Lake County officials are very upset because that affects the economy there.
And did Abbott Labs give any reasons for the layoffs?
It is blaming in part healthcare reform because of new fees and expenses, the Medicaid rebate, and also regulations are harder right now to get drugs approved. And of course, there's competition from the generic brands.
So all those things are putting pressure
Yes.
on Abbott Labs, presumably other drug makers as well.
Yes.
Walgreens is coming up with a private label